Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on Steam. First, understand that Valorant is a game developed by Riot Games, and it's not natively found on the Steam store. However, you can easily add it to your Steam library as a non-Steam game. This simple process allows you to launch Valorant directly from your Steam client, giving you the convenience of having all your games in one place and utilizing Steam's overlay features while you play. To add Valorant to your Steam library, begin by opening your Steam client. Look for the Games menu located at the very top of the window. From the drop-down options, select Add a non-Steam game to my library. A new window will appear, prompting you to browse your computer. You'll need to find the Valorant executable file, which is usually within your Riot Games installation folder, often named Valorant exe. Once Valorant is added, you can customize its appearance within your Steam library. Simply right-click on the newly created Valorant shortcut and select Properties. Here, you can rename the shortcut to something like Valorant for a cleaner look. For an even more integrated feel, you might consider adding custom artwork, such as a game banner or icon, which can be found online. This makes your non-Steam game blend seamlessly with your other Steam titles. It's important to remember that adding Valorant to Steam does not change how the game fundamentally operates. Valorant will still launch through the Riot Games client, and the Vanguard anti-cheat system will always be active. While you gain the convenience of launching from Steam and using its overlay for features like screenshots or chatting with friends, all game updates, in-game purchases, and account management remain exclusively within the Riot Games ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.